In this video, we're talking about member receipts. First, we'll go to the member section and click on the member receipt. When the interface opens, we'll see the member receipt manage screen. Here, we'll see a table displaying payments received from any member. The purpose of a member receipt is to receive payments from members. This form is used for that purpose. To add a new member receipt, click the Add New button. You'll see a form with fields to fill out. First, choose the transaction date. Then, search and select the party account by searching the member's name or ID. Once you select the account, a table will appear on the right, displaying details like costing head, due amount, paid amount, and balance amount. The rows highlighted in light red indicate the remaining amounts for this member. Next, there is a select field for costing heads, and in this field, only those costing heads will be shown which are highlighted in light red in the table, representing the remaining amounts for this member. Next, enter the costing amount. Below that, select the revenue head and its amount. Then, select the payment mode, cash or bank. If you choose cash, just follow the steps mentioned earlier and submit the form. If you choose bank, you'll need to select the bank, enter the check date, check number, and add any remarks if needed before submitting the form. Once you submit the form, you'll see a print voucher for the receipt. If you want to view specific receipts, you can select dates in the From Date and To Date fields. After submission, the member receipt will appear in the Manage table, showing details like serial number, voucher number, type, date, total, and action. You can edit, delete, print vouchers, or check other print forms using the buttons provided in the Action column.